Hello and welcome to my channel, Spare Change. My name is Davey Irizarry, owner of K&D Handyman Services. I get this question asked all the time. How is it that you average $12,000 a month as a side hustle as a handyman? I tell them it's very simple. 4 steps. First, always return back every text, email, or phone call in less than 24 hours. Number 2, provide estimates in less than 24 hours. Customers have many places or many people to choose from. Don't give them an option not to choose you. Be responsible and be on time. Number 3, like I said previously, be on time. Customers hate waiting. I get to a customer's site to start a work at least 15 minutes prior. And number 4, be fair with your pricings. I said fair, I did not say cheap. Please hit thumbs up or subscribe button and follow me. Have a great day.